So today we are going to be getting ready to say goodbye to our lovely doll Alice. So I went into a shoe shop and I asked if they had a box which was bigger than 18 inches because our dolls are 18 inches, and they gave me this box which was a box for a boot, and they were very kind and let me have that. So I've just taken, now I had this as a spare mattress I have for my dolls, but all you would need to do is get a piece of fabric, put a little tiny bit of batting inside. It could just be a blanket or anything which you had. So what you do is you just have your fabric, a whole piece, so this piece and this piece, fold it in half, machine all the way down here, all the way down here, and then machine along but leave a hole in the middle. Turn, you can see where they've left the hole in the middle here, look. Turn it the right way round and then just machine across that bit. Oh, turn it right way round, put your batting in and then machine across that bit there, and there you'd have a mattress for your dolls. Okay. And then I had a little pillow. I actually picked this one up from a charity shop, gave it a good wash, and then I'm just going to pop that one in as well. So there you go. Okay, and then we'll get Alice. So here she is. Okay, now she's wearing a beautiful dress that my mum has made her. She's got matching pants on as well, so she's getting all ready to go. So I'm going to pop on her socks. These are the socks which we made back along, so she's got little ankle socks to go on. There we go. 1 and 2. So there we go. So let's pop her in, and I don't want her to come up too high on the pillow because I want to be able to get that lid down. I want it to fit nicely and snugly there. She has got a little pair of booties. Only got one here in my hand a minute. I'll pick the other one up in a minute. And she's got a matching hat which goes with it. She's also got a little jacket, and I managed to pick this up from just a cheap shop, and it was supposed to be for a dog. I think I paid £1.99, but I thought it was just the perfect size, and it does fit her. Let's just pop it on so you can see. So there you go, you can see it fits her beautifully. So it's just the right size, so it's a lovely Christmas outfit for her. So I shall put that there so she could keep that one on if she wanted to in her box. There she goes. Let's lay her down. Put her little bubble to the side. There we go. So she'll be able to have a lovely sleep in the box on the way to Ireland. Then we've got her a blanket. I just picked this up from a charity shop. It was £1. It's a lovely pink one. So I'm just going to lay that over the top of her. There we go. So when my little, it's my granddaughter's niece. So when she gets her, she'll be all lovely and wrapped up and in her little bed. Okay, so the next thing we got is I went into Sainsbury's and I got this brush for £3, and these brushes work absolutely brilliant for the dolls because they've got the metal spikes on it which you need when you're working with the doll's hair. So I've got that one for her. So that can go down the side here like that. We've got her little teddy already, and again I just picked him up from the charity shop, brought him home, put him through the washing machine. Came out beautifully as you can see, and we've changed his bow and put a little yellow bow on to it. So she's got her teddy bear there beside her like that. And then we've got a spare pair of socks for her just there, so she's got 2 pairs of socks. We've got her little coat which we will be, with this pattern will be coming up soon. I think just maybe around or just after Christmas, and there's a lovely coat pattern coming, so she'll have her little coat to take with her. Lay that one in there. She's got a little knitted like top here. There you go. So it's a little vesty top which is all prettily knitted, which my mum made. And here are the little jeans we made the other day which will be going with them. So that makes a lovely little set. So she's got a set like that there to go in. And then she's got her apron for when she wants to do some cooking. So that's going into the box as well. She's got her lovely dress, her owl dress we made. And the pattern for this and the jeans and the apron are all online for free, and they're still up there. I just noticed the other day that I'd made a mistake and put them in the wrong folder so that you couldn't open them. So I've been back on and I've sorted all that out. So that one's, so all this is in the pattern, so you can make all of these if you want to. Okay, so she's got that as well. We've got her little handbag, which is made out of that little purse we had. So we'll pop that in there, and that goes with her puppy, which has the matching collar and lead we made out of the lanyard. So that one then, little puppy can go in there and sleep with her on the bed like that. We have got her lovely Christmas pajamas, and the pattern for the Christmas pajamas should be coming up quite soon. I think that might be just in the beginning of December, so you should be able to get that if you want to make something for your children's dolls for Christmas. And she's got her little pajamas there as well. And then we've got a little game for her. Now this was a little game of Connect 4, and all the little pieces. There are 4 in a pack. So I've got one for my dolls and one from the other 2 for the children's dolls, and this is one which is going to go out to Ireland. There. We have a little pack of loom bands, which are great for their hair. It doesn't tangle or catch their hair too badly. So we have a pack of loom bands to go in. Oh, there's the other booty. Couldn't find it. Pop that underneath. There we go. We have a little spray bottle. No, they sell these spray bottles. I think they sell them for 4 or 5 into Poundland for £1. And you usually find them with all like the hair accessories and that sort of thing. So this will be a spray bottle. So she'll have her spray bottle to spray her hair with. So that will go in there. She's got her pair of shoes. There we are. So she's got her little shoes all ready to go. I shall pop them up the top there, like that. She has got a little necklace. Well, this is a bracelet, but it fitted on her beautifully. And I got this from the charity shop, but it was new, so I was quite happy with this. I think I paid 50p for it, but it fits on her lovely. So that's a lovely little necklace for her to wear. We've got a pair of scissors, plastic scissors, which I looked out for. I had a job getting these, but I did find this at the charity shop. I did look online, but I had a job, but I did get them eventually in the charity shop, so she can pretend to cut the doll's hair if she wants to. We have a little hair accessories kit for her, and that was from Poundland, and it's got some little bobbles in it. There's a few clips. There's another, I think that one is another bobble type thing. That one's a slide, and there's these other little ones which would be good for when she's doing her hair if she wants to pull hair back out of the way. So she'll put that one in. And then I went into Poundland and I managed to get this little china tea set. And it's got the teapot, jug, and a little, I thought there was a sugar bowl, but doesn't look like it. No, so it's a jug and a teapot, and there are 2 little cups and 2 little saucers, which I thought was absolutely perfect for this size doll. It's just the cups and that sort of fit in her hand really nicely. So I'm going to pop that in as well. And then I got, this is a mirror, I don't know if you can see. That was £1 from Poundland as well, and I thought that would be really nice for her. So that's going in there, just like that. The other thing I thought which I could put in there, and I have a few, is I could make up some polymer clay sandwiches to go with the tea set. Maybe cut 2 sandwiches and maybe 2 buns would be nice. So I thought I'd just make that up, and I think that would be a lovely little present. I think she's going to be really pleased with that. So I'm going to pop Doggy just down there in beside her, I think, because he looks a little bit lonely at the bottom of the box, and that should all go together nicely. Hopefully it won't be too heavy because it's quite expensive to send things to Ireland, so hopefully that should be okay. And then we'll pop her lid onto her box, and then she can put some brown paper onto it. There we go, and just wrap it up. And then if she wants to, when she's got Dolly over in Ireland, what she can do is she can use that box to start her off as a little bed for her doll. So that should start her off beautifully. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed that, and I want to say goodbye to Alice. Maybe everyone can say goodbye to Alice. If you enjoyed the video, I'm sure all my dolls would like you to just subscribe to the channel so that they can make friends with all of your dolls as well. Goodbye.